Welcome to Turn Right Machine Works. My name is Keith. Alright, we're just starting to cut about halfway through the diameter of this bore already. So we probably got about, maybe 3-4 cuts more to go and we'll be finished. Okay, we've got a regular wiggler. This happens to be a 1/2 inch diameter. Some of the wigglers come with a 200,000, so a couple different widths of diameter on a small wiggler part, and I have several of them laying around, but I choose to have the 1/2 inch no matter what. It just always seems to be easier. Once in a while you might have a small area that you got to reach into, then I'll use some of the other ones, but if we're wide open I just use the 1/2 inch. My general practice. Okay, we bring this down to the side here and we bring it in, and as soon as it kicks to the side, that's center. What I usually do is I set my readout here to 0. If I was using my dials on the end of the table, I would set them at 0, and then I would not look at them, not look at the readout, and pay attention back here and then stop it again and then take a look. If I repeat exactly where I set it at, then I'm going to confirm that that's 0. Then I crank in half of the diameter of that wiggler, which is 250, and then reset 0. Alright, this is 5/8, so we're just coming on over 5/16, or 312.5, 313. Alright, now we're going to come off the end of this face here. Feels like a little lip out here. And we measured this at 400. And there is 0 there. Come back, verify that we did hit 0 again. And that looks good. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to put a straight edge here. It looks pretty level. Alright, so we're going to call, that was 0. There's 250. Set 0 again. Now we're going to go 200. And there's 200. Okay, we should be in the center of where we want the hole to go for our draw bolt. Looks good by eyeball. Alright, we're going to drill down in here at 200 thousandths. Be the tap size. Just setting our dial at 0 here, okay. We're in there 1'2" already. 1.5 inches. 1.75 and we're at the bottom. Alright, now we want clearance for a 1/4 inch drill. And we're going to lower the table down. Okay, we got like 350 there, 350 plus half of that more. Alright, 1 3/4 is exactly halfway, is that right? I don't think so. 1.812 divided by 2 equals 906 plus 0.35 equals 1 1/4. Okay, that looks better. We're going to go 1 1/4 with this, and also let's double check. Alright, let's also double check on our depth here. 1 1/4 would be more than enough. Alright, there's 0. There's 1. 1 1/4. Alright, now we'll go get our tap and our tap handle again for this project. Okay, our tensioning bolt. We got a nice tight fit on this bore here, so we're going to have a good fit, and it just needs to be located. The pressure is not going to be on the rotation of this. The pressure is going to be on the push, so it will hold that 90-degree head real firm. Alright, now we're going to slit this right across there with the same arbor we used before, but this time we're going into the R8 collet here. So we're getting ready to set up on that. Alright, let's see, let's go down into a lower gear here. Alright, that's as slow as the Bridgeport belt drive runs with a J head here. And we're going to go ahead and run a slitting saw blade, the same one we did the other 3 sets across this part here in the Bridgeport. And first off, let me make sure I'm clearing this camera here, okay, and we're not if I crank that, so I'm going to move you just a quickie here. All right. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna feed it slowly by hand. Now you can hear that Bridgeport there. I don't know if it's just an old spindle or what, or how it holds it, but it doesn't seem to run as true as it does over in the 40 taper holders that I have at the K&T. Everything looks like it's going to clear here. The more material that you get in there, the more teeth that actually do grab a hold of it though. Not a fast feed, just constant pressure gets the job done. We're almost coming through here. Most of the time, once you come through, you break through, your part expands slightly. The stress of the material is relieved. All right, we're open. And there's a slot. Alright, we slide that over there, and there we go, right on down. Fits right over that registered area right there. Alright, now we got a clamping bolt in here. Okay, you can't move that arm with that tightened. So that's, she's mounted to that. Alright, so now we got that, and we have a pivot bolt, and we have a foundation that we can mount 2 ears to this to create this movement right here. So our next step is to go ahead and plan out and cut 2 ears. So we're going to set up our shaft and our plate back up in the mill, and we're going to kind of put this in location here and kind of plan out that action right there. And then we can join back here with some kind of a knob here, which will pivot this down and create the cut.